Okay, so started this morning putting an extra 200 watt solar panel on my roof of my GeoPro 15 TB, and what I did was I put these 2-inch aluminum rails. It's about 5 feet long, which is about the same size as my panel. And I screwed that in about 4 or 5 different places here, right along the edge of the camper where the aluminum rails meet, the roof rails, and then I did the same thing up top along that edge. Can't see the aluminum rail, but it's there. The screws there, what I did for now is I put two about 1.5 inch self-tapping screws into the aluminum rails that help support the air conditioner that's right there. I got the roof schematics from Forest River, and they kind of told me roughly where they are, and then I actually came out this morning. There's a couple of different ways. This morning when it was a little bit cold and there's still a little bit of dew, you can kind of see where they are, where the metal is, but I also found that my cheap little stud finder here also was able to locate them, so just verified where I thought they were. And then I used the rails, the brackets that came with the solar panel to screw them into just sort of lock, the unirail lock nuts. So I screwed the brackets here onto the back side of the panel, and then I just used the washer in here, lock nut washer, and 3/8 inch bolt to bolt them down. And then you can see where I put butyl tape underneath everywhere where I was drilling. And then I've now put self-leveling, the die-core self-leveling sealant over the top of all of those holes. So yeah, it's pretty solid. Doesn't seem like it's going to go anywhere. I've connected in parallel. Got the connectors that came with the panel, all plugged in. Didn't need any extensions. Everything just reached. Might want to tape those down at some point, but for now, we're gonna go with that. Hopefully the 2 screws at the top and the rail up there are enough to hold all that. It seemed pretty solid, so I left it at that rather than trying to drill any sort of anchor holes using an anchor bolt, as Forest River suggested, into my roof, which is a pretty big hole. I did it once, I didn't like it, I filled it and then filled it up with the die-core and sealant and butyl tape and all of that to plug the hole, but I didn't really like that solution, so I'm going to go with this, and hopefully it all works out and stays on the roof. I'll let you know. Thanks. Bye.